In this video, we will demonstrate how to install the 79-093 and 79-096 commercial door flush bolts. This project requires safety goggles, a measuring tape, a number 2 and number 3 Phillips head screwdriver. To get started, measure the top of the frame to the edge of the flush bolt housing. Our flush bolt measures 10 inches, so we'll be using our 11-inch 79-093 to reach outside the door frame. If your flush bolt is longer, you may need our 12-inch 79-096. Unscrew the operator from the door to remove its tension off the door. Then make sure to unlock both the top and bottom flush bolts to swing the door out freely. In most cases, you should be able to replace the flush bolt while the door is still in place. However, in this video, we'll be removing the door for a better view of the installation process. To start the removal, unscrew the guides on the door's edges. Then you can remove the screws holding the housing in place. Now you can simply slide the flush bolt freely from the door's ends. Next, compare your new bolt with the length of the original. If you have an even longer flush bolt rod, you could reuse your existing rod with the new housing to reach your needed length. It's important the new flush bolt is actually flush with the door frame edge when in the unlocked position. Make any adjustments after installing the new flush bolt housing. You'll want to be sure that the rods move smoothly through their guides. Once the bolts and housing are installed, you can simply insert the commercial door back on its pivot frame. Check that the locking mechanisms are functioning, then attach the closer back onto the door frame. For all these parts and more, visit swissco.com.